Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your TikTok account permanently. So if you no longer want to be on TikTok, you can follow these steps. So open up the TikTok app. Once you're on the For You page, you want to navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then you'll be on your profile. Now it's up to you if you want to back up your videos by downloading them one by one, but that can take quite a long time depending on how many TikTok videos you actually have. So if you just want to delete your account, what you want to do is tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. And then you want to tap the first option, which is manage account. Right at the bottom of manage account, you can see it says delete account. So I'll tap on delete account. Now you absolutely want to make sure that you want to delete your account. I do believe that you will still be able to access your account once you've deleted it to restore it if you made a mistake or something. So you just want to say, give a reason why you're leaving TikTok. I'll just tap on skip at the top right hand corner, but just select a reason. And then it will take you to the next page where you have to request to download your data if you want that. Then you tap there at the bottom where it says by continuing you've reviewed your data, and then all you need to do is tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted. And that's all you need to do from your side of things. Your TikTok account will be permanently deleted after a couple of days or 2 weeks or so, and then your account is gone. So I'll just go back because I don't want to actually delete my account, but that would be the process that you follow. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.